Hello everyone! Today we are unboxing the all-new Vivo X300 Ultra, one of the most refined flagship phones of the year. Let's see what Vivo has changed this time. Right away, the packaging looks premium with minimal design, clean branding, and has a classic Vivo flagship feel. You get the X300 Ultra branding here and subtle hints that this is the camera-focused device. Alright, let's open this. And there it is. This camera module immediately grabs attention. It's big, bold, and clearly built for serious photography. Let's take a closer look at this camera setup. You can see the large sensors, ZEISS branding, and that massive circular module. This is clearly built for photography. And yes, Vivo has switched to a flat display this time, which makes it more practical for daily use. The design this year is more refined with flatter edges, better grip, and a cleaner overall look. My first impressions, this feels premium and surprisingly well balanced. It's slim, solid, and definitely feels like a flagship. Let's see what else we get in the box. We get a protective case, a fast charger, USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and a documentation. Nice to see Vivo still including a charger, which many of the brands have removed. The display looks stunning, bright, sharp, and super smooth. Out of the box, you get the latest software experiences and smooth animations and a very clean interface. And the flat panel actually makes it easier to use, especially for gaming and everyday tasks. Everything feels fast and responsive right from the start. So, my final impressions. This feels like a refinement over previous model with better design, more practical display, premium build, and that camera definitely feels something I'm excited to test. Here are some of the sample photos. Stay tuned for the full review and camera test. If you enjoyed the unboxing, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.